Are you interested in effortlessly growing your Bitcoin portfolio? I sure am. The Bitcoin credit card by Gemini earns you Bitcoin back on every purchase. Use it like any credit card. Buy lunch, gas, or your weekly groceries, and you'll earn up to 4% back instantly in Bitcoin or one of over 50 other cryptos straight to your account. All that with no annual fee. And right now, you can grab a $200 Bitcoin welcome bonus. It's the easiest way to start building your Bitcoin stack. Go to Gemini.com/card to learn more. Terms apply. See the link in the description for more information regarding rates and fees. Issued by WebBank. To qualify for the $200 crypto intro bonus, you must spend $3,000 in your first 90 days. Some exclusions to instant rewards apply. This is not investment advice, and trading crypto involves risk. Check Gemini's website for more details on rates and fees.
Make 2026 the year you launch your business, the year you transform into an entrepreneur, founder, boss. One powerful move puts your future firmly in your hands, starting a business with Shopify. If you've got an idea you can't shake or a store you've already designed in your head, with Shopify, 2026 is when you can finally make it happen. Shopify gives you everything you need to sell online and in person. Billions of entrepreneurs have already made this leap, from household names like Gymshark to first-time businesses like Watch This. Shopify gives you all the tools to easily build your dream store. Choose from hundreds of beautiful templates that you can customize to match your brand. The setup is fast with Shopify's built-in AI tools that write product descriptions and headlines and help you edit product photos. Marketing is built in too. Create email and social campaigns that reach customers wherever they scroll. As you grow, Shopify grows with you. Handle more orders, expand to new markets, and do it all from the same dashboard. In 2026, stop waiting and start selling with Shopify. Sign up for your $1 per month trial and start selling today at shopify.com/DCR. Go to shopify.com/DCR. That's shopify.com/DCR. Hear your first this year with Shopify. It's 8 a.m. Eastern, January 21st, and this is your daily crypto report. Bitcoin is up slightly at $88,599. Ethereum is up slightly at $2,936, and Binance Coin is up slightly at $876.
The world moves fast. Your workday, even faster. Pitching products, drafting reports, analyzing data. Microsoft 365 Copilot is your AI assistant for work. Built into Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other Microsoft 365 apps you use, helping you quickly write, analyze, create, and summarize, so you can cut through clutter and clear a path to your best work. Learn more at Microsoft.com/M365 Copilot.
Bloomberg reports that in the year since President Trump took office, he and his family have added about $1.4 billion in crypto-related wealth, roughly 20% of the family's estimated $6.8 billion net worth, but overall net worth is relatively flat because losses in Trump Media and Technology Group offset those gains. Bloomberg says realized crypto proceeds top $1 billion, driven mainly by the World Liberty Financial DeFi project and the president's official meme coin, while the family also holds additional digital asset exposure that could be worth far more on paper, including locked World Liberty founder tokens. Bloomberg values around $3.8 billion, but excludes from its wealth tally because they can't be accessed yet. World Liberty previously surged after debuting in September, and at one point implied more than $5 billion in value for the Trump family's position, but the token is now about half its debut price. Well, Tyler and Cameron Winklevoss donated over 3,000 ZEC worth about $1.16 million to Shielded Labs, an independent Zcash protocol development group that counts Zcash founder Zuko Wilcox among its contributors, to fund core upgrades like the network sustainability mechanism, crosslink, and dynamic fees aimed at boosting Zcash's security, scalability, and economic resilience. Shielded Labs says it operates outside Zcash's block reward and runs on donations focused on protocol research and engineering rather than products. The gift lands amid ongoing shakeups in the Zcash ecosystem, including recent departures from the electric coin company, the original lead developer since Zcash launched in 2016, and the spin-up of a new company and wallet by ex-cryptographers, signaling fragmentation but also diversification. While the Solana Policy Institute is urging lawmakers to strengthen legal protections for software developers after Tornado Cash developer Roman Storm was found guilty in August on a money transmitting charge, with the jury deadlocking on a money laundering charge and a sanctions-related charge. In an open letter Wednesday, SPI President Kristen Smith and CEO Miller Whitehouse Levine said Storm's case is not an isolated dispute but a broader test of whether the U.S. will keep supporting open innovation or push builders out through fear and misinterpretation. Storm is still awaiting sentencing, and crypto advocates have donated millions for his defense. SPI points to momentum in Washington, noting the latest Senate Banking Committee crypto market structure bill text includes developer safe harbor language via the Blockchain Regulatory Certainty Act, which would clarify that non-custodial software developers who don't control user funds aren't money transmitters and would set clearer guardrails for when developers and service providers are exempt from money transmitting laws. And finally, Hong Kong plans to issue its first batch of stablecoin issuer licenses in the first quarter of 2026, with Financial Secretary Paul Chan saying at the World Economic Forum in Davos that the city's crypto asset framework is meant to be responsible and sustainable as it builds a broader digital finance ecosystem spanning stablecoins, exchanges, and tokenized assets, according to the South China Morning Post. The stablecoin licensing regime passed in 2025 sets strict requirements for fiat-referenced stablecoin issuers around reserves, redemption, and risk management, and it comes alongside Hong Kong's existing licensing program for crypto trading platforms, where the Securities and Futures Commission has approved 11 firms so far, including OSL, Hashkey, and Bullish. Separately, tokenization is advancing via the Hong Kong Monetary Authority's Project Ensemble pilot launched in November 2025 to test real value transactions using tokenized deposits and digital assets with major banks and asset managers, while regulators are also seeking public feedback on new licensing regimes for crypto dealing, advisory, and management services, proposals that the Hong Kong Securities and Futures Professionals Association warned could raise compliance costs and deter traditional asset managers, slowing institutional adoption. That's all for us today. Visit us at dailycryptoreport.io and listen to us everywhere else you podcast under Daily Crypto Report.
Hello, this is Jack Wilson, the host of the History of Literature podcast. For the past 10 years, I've been talking to novelists, biographers, and scholars about the greatest books in the history of the world and the men and women who wrote them. Like our recent episodes on Dante in Love, a starter pack of 10 Indian classics, the pop culture that influenced Sylvia Plath, and a talk with scientist and novelist Alan Lightman about the wonders of nature. Join us at the History of Literature podcast, wherever you get your podcasts.
Are you interested in effortlessly growing your Bitcoin portfolio? I sure am. The Bitcoin credit card by Gemini earns you Bitcoin back on every purchase. Use it like any credit card. Buy lunch, gas, or your weekly groceries, and you'll earn up to 4% back instantly in Bitcoin or one of over 50 other cryptos straight to your account. All that with no annual fee. And right now, you can grab a $200 Bitcoin welcome bonus. It's the easiest way to start building your Bitcoin stack. Go to Gemini.com/card to learn more. Terms apply. See the link in the description for more information regarding rates and fees. Issued by WebBank. To qualify for the $200 crypto intro bonus, you must spend $3,000 in your first 90 days. Some exclusions to instant rewards apply. This is not investment advice, and trading crypto involves risk. Check Gemini's website for more details on rates and fees.